Stephanie Verry, and I'm here to talk to you about shoulder pain with pull-ups. A lot of times in functional fitness classes or boot camp style workouts, pull-ups are programmed and people can get hurt easily if there's not proper form or if there's a strength deficit. First, people can go into a kipping pull-up where you are allowed to swing before they have the strength for a strict pull-up. The general rule is that you can do 5 strict pull-ups before attempting a kipping pull-up. So to work on that strength, you can do a toe-assisted pull-up on the box. That way you can have as much assistance as you need on the way up and then control on the way down. You can also do an eccentric pull-up where you jump to the top position and then try to take at least 3 to 5 seconds to lower yourself down to start building that strength. It would also be beneficial to work on the strengthening around the shoulder and around the muscles in the back around the shoulder blade. So I have a few examples of exercises that you could perform on your own to build that strength, along with the drills that I showed previously. The first one is one of my favorite ones to start out with. It's a side lying series. So generally with these, I like to perform 2 rounds, starting with the side lying external rotation. For 12 to 15 reps, you should be getting fatigued, and then your side lying flexion going to eye level, and then your side lying horizontal abduction. So going up to the ceiling, back down. The next exercise is a prone Pvc press. So with this one, your goal is to lift your arms off of the floor and then keep your arms above your head as you press the PVC behind and then back, and then you can rest to the ground. So with this one, your goal is to go as slow as possible, and you should be aiming for around 10 to 12 reps. The last one is called a Scat Pull-Up. So with this one, you're hanging on the rig, and then you are just pulling yourself up with strictly the muscles around the shoulder blade. That's a good one to start building some stability on the rig. That one can be done in sets of 10, take a break, and then going in for 2 or 3 sets. Alright, so we've built the strength for the strict pull-up, and now we want to get into kipping pull-ups. I had mentioned before that a lot of times there can be improper technique, mostly with the kip swing. So with the kip swing, you want to think about looking like a banana. You want to have a nice hollow position and then a nice arch position. So with that, you want to engage your lats, engage your core, and engage your glutes. A lot of times people can overcompensate with their hip flexors, and so they end up getting into more of an L shape, which can hinder that momentum. So you can start practicing that kipping shape on the ground with some hollow holds and then some arch holds. If you are one that's experiencing shoulder pain with pull-ups or any movement on the rig really, give us a call at Specialized Physical Therapy and we would be happy to evaluate you.